skin senses, the pressure receptors. Pressure, how do they pick up? Is the pressure receptors what picks up temperature?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it?
To some extent.
Okay.
So pressure receptors are, so temperature is like, we have thermoregulatory center that we have some sensory neurons that are receptors that are like more sensitive to the temperature. But pressure is the force that you are getting. Alright, so if it's windy, you can actually feel windy because of the pressure receptors.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes. I guess.
For temperature, you have like receptors for hot and cold.
Okay.
Different receptors. So they combine with different opioids to give the sense of hot or cold.
Okay. But our body picks up heat as a priority. Okay. Pain. I guess a little, how do you pronounce it?
Myelinated.
Myelinated. Myelinated is the quick pain, unmyelinated is the
Yes, do
slow
you
pain.
understand the structure of neuron?
Of a neuron?
Alright. So we have
Okay. It's referring to the myelin sheath, right?
yeah.
Okay.
So this is cell body. We have. Okay. So this is cell body. This is nucleus.
Okay.
Cell body is also called soma. These are dendrites that attach with another neuron to form synapses. This is axon hillock. This is when the axons start. These covering on the cells, like these are the cells, like this is axon going from it, and these cells which are covering, these are called myelin sheet.
Okay.
All right. So process of myelinating these cells is called myelination. These myelination sheets are what they help the impulses to go fast.
Okay.
So they speed up the impulses. Here the impulses will not be interpreted. They will just go. And they are called alpha fibers. And there are other neurons which are called C fibers. They don't have these myelin sheets, so they interpret while they're going.
Okay.
Alright. So the function of this myelination is just to speed up the impulses. So your impulses will not be interpreted.
Okay.
The pain impulses, we need pain impulses as fast as we can, but some pain impulses we don't need as fast as we can. So headache is C fiber, we don't need it as fast as we need.
Okay.
So, but for the reflexes, like if somebody is something is actually pinching us or like going inside, we need the reflexes as fast as we can.
Okay.
So that's when myelin sheet works.
Gotcha.
Yep. So it's fast
That
and
makes
it's
a lot more sense then.
yep.
I'll see a distraction.
So distraction is when your attention is like diverted from one focus. Our hippocampus is working to make us like filter and focus on one thing. But because we are stimulated to different things, we get distracted.
Okay.
So a distraction can be like because of the things we are interested in, or sometimes some things which are like really different.
Okay. Let's see.
So this is selective attention. What is selective attention?
Preparation. We can just go over that. Reinterpretation. So I was reading that reinterpretation about changing how we think about pain.
Mm-hmm.
Like the thing I was thinking of was, let's say, go back to the taste bud things with spicy. I mean, most people are like, oh, that hurts, I don't like it. But other people are like, no, that, like to me that tastes good, or that I enjoy it. So they change the way they think about the pain so they can handle it.
Yes.
Or when people like work out, lift weights, like it hurts because the way they think about it, like, no, I'm supposed to get stronger from this. This is helping me. Then they can handle the pain easier.
Yes.
Is that what it is?
Yep.
Okay. Gate control theory. Okay, I was talking to some of my friends about this. We're getting mixed up. So if I get punched in the arm really hard and that pain's lingering and stuff like that, like other things that might be like bumping into me or hitting me, I'm not going to notice because that's hurting right now. That's the initial pain. Is that what gate control theory?
So in gate control theory, the thing only important is that you have a gate and you have impulses. So the impulses come and they enter a gate. So gate is only open to the pain impulses. That's what it is.
Okay.
So if you get the pain impulses, how your mind will gonna identify that it is pain impulse. You have specific opioids with your impulses, and they're endorphins that works as a gate. So endorphins identify like some certain hormones. They identify this is a pain stimulation. They open the gate, and the impulses go in. And when you feel that I'm having pain.
Okay.
Right. When the gate closes, because they are sensitive to the gate. Like if the response is produced, they are sensitive. They're just gonna close the gate.
And our body does that because the pain is the priority at the time.
Yeah.
And so that's why it's opening a gate only to the pain
Yeah.
impulses so we can focus on it.
Yes.
Okay.